Allah the Almighty,
Allahu Allah,
protect me and guide me,
Allahu Allah,
oh, to your love and mercy.
Allahu Allah,
Ya Allah, don't deprive me
Allahu Allah,
from beholding your beauty.
Allahu Allah,
Oh my Lord, accept this plea.
Allahu Allah, Hasbi Rabbi Jalla Allah, Allahu Allah, Ma fi qalbi ghayru Allah, Allahu Allah.
वो तन्हा कौन है,
Allahu Allah,
बादशाह वो कौन है,
Allahu Allah,
ओ मेहरबा वो कौन है,
Allahu Allah,
क्या ऊंची शान है,
Allahu Allah,
उसकी सब निशान है,
Allahu Allah,
सब दिलों की जान है.
Allahu Allah, Hasbi Rabbi Jalla Allah, Allahu Allah, Ma fi qalbi ghayru Allah, Allahu Allah.
Affeder günahı
Allahu Allah,
alemin padişahı,
Allahu Allah,
yüreklerin penahı.
Allahu Allah,
İşit Allah derdimi, bu ahlarımı, rahmeyle bağışla günahlarımı. Hayır eyle hem akşam hem sabahlarımı.
Hasbi Rabbi Jalla Allah, Allahu Allah, Ma fi qalbi ghayru Allah, Allahu Allah.
Ya Rabbel Alemin,
Allahu Allah,
صل على طه الأمين,
Allahu Allah,
في كل وقت وحين.
Allahu Allah,
املأ قلبي باليقين،
Allahu Allah,
ثبتني على هذا الدين،
Allahu Allah,
واغفر لي والمسلمين.
Allahu Allah, Hasbi Rabbi Jalla Allah, Allahu Allah, Ma fi qalbi ghayru Allah, Allahu Allah, Ala al-hadi sallallahu, Allahu Allah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Allah.
Why am I in this place, torn asunder by blight? Shorn by the blades of inequity, drowned by darkness, immersed in the turbid waters of negligence, forgetfulness. Question not why, but understand this simple truth.
Is the center, is the center of all wealth. Now is the moment at the heart of all times.
and now. Ask not why here and now, but be in the here and now.
Is the center, is the center of all wealth. Now is the moment at the heart of all time.
Ask not why here and now, but be in the here and now.
Here is the center, here is the center.
Ask not why here and now, but be in the here and now, to find the key to all existence.
Is the center, that is the center of all wealth. Now is the moment at the heart of all times.
Of all time,
Here is the center, that is the center of all wealth.